Well, hi everyone. I've just had a parcel from Naio. I don't know exactly what will be in it. I've taken my address off there, so I'm going to have a look what we can find in here. So I gather we'll try as well. Oh, we nearly did it there. Everything goes everywhere. I'll bring it round this way. Right, back to this. We've got all these doobies in. So I'll take a few of those out. As soon as we can see what we've got. I can see some. Oh, I love their aqua gel. As you can see on my nails, they've been on now nearly 2 weeks. I've had no chipping, no nothing. Absolutely beautiful. I'm really pleased with that. So I'll just take these out and then I can get rid of the box. Okay, so I'll start with the aqua gel, and this one is a clear, and then this one is Sierra Morning. That's lovely. More of a like a nudie pink, would I say. This one's Peach Breeze, and this last one is Peaceful Slumber. Now, obviously I shall be doing a demo with these, but I'm gonna wait until I need to put some more on, because this one was, let's have a look, yeah, this one was Tempting Fate, the one I've got on now, but obviously I would like to try a different one. So those are the gel, like poly gel, and then I've got some gel polish. They're always wrapped very well. Oh, look at that. This one is Diamond Eyes. Oh wow, look at all them in there. Beautiful. So that's that one. And as we got here, this looks like a gold. Yeah. Where's the name to this? Oh, this is Sphinx. So, oh look at that shine. Beautiful. I like a good glitter. That's that one. And what else have we got? Oh, it looks like a top coat. The Urban Graffiti. Yes, it is. The Urban Graffiti top coat. Which is made for the gel polishes. And then this one's a purpley violet colour. This one is Russian Water Lily is that one. And oh, that's nice. Oh, colour on that one. Very nice. And the last one, see what we have here. Oh, this is another glitter. This one's Oyster Sparkle. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that's packed with glitter and it's all different colours. You've got oranges, green, gold. Lovely. So with that, they've sent me their wipe off solution, which I've never used before, so I shall be interested to see what that's like. And also, look at this. Move these out of the way. All those. These are the wipe off pads. As you can see, there must be a few in there. So you can go mad with all them, can't you, really? And they are. You can see a little pattern inside. They're not like the other ones that Nikki had. Nikki had those, as she's shown you before. These are different. They've still got a pattern on them, but they're not like those. So it's been interesting to find out what it is like when I start using them. Well, these are beautiful, and I can't wait to try those out. So, I'd like to thank Naio for sending me these, and I should be trying these out to see what sort of design I can come up with, and hopefully a good one. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this bit of an unboxing, and thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye!